Hi, I'm Stephanie Hayes. I want to welcome you to Diffusion Talk and I want to help you unbox your kit. So, hopefully, you've already watched the Welcome to Diffusion Talk video. You know a little bit about our amazing group and community, and you have received your starter kit and you're ready to start using it. So you've likely already attended a class or watched a 101 or intro type video. So this should be just a refresher to get you started, and I'm going to work to keep it as brief as possible. So in your kit, you would have received a diffuser. So this is the Desert Mist diffuser and one of the more popular diffusers. This is how you're going to use it. Once you take it out of the box, this is a cover. Take the cover off. You open this top, you're gonna fill this with oil. You can fill almost to the top. You can kind of see this difference. I fill mine right to about there with just regular tap water. And then in this diffuser, you're gonna wanna put somewhere between 5 and 8 drops of oil, in my opinion. It'll run for about 8 hours. It has an intermittent setting as well if you prefer for it to run a little bit longer and to do a few seconds. It's like 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. So you get to those different settings by hitting the power button multiple times once you turn it on. So you fill it with water, you put your oil in, you put the cover back on so that it's pretty, and then you hit the power button to start it. There's another button over here that looks like a light bulb, and on that you can change the color cycle and even turn off the glow so that your diffuser is running, but it is not lit up. I tell everyone to start low and start slow when you're diffusing. So I did say between 5 and 8 drops. At the beginning, I would keep it on that lower end until you're acclimated to what it's like to be breathing in the oils, and maybe you want it to be a little bit stronger, but you don't want to use too much too fast at first. Then you would have received your kit, which will look like this. So you want to take off this sleeve and then open to all the oily goodness. In it, you're going to have some literature here, so make sure you open this up and take a peek at the pamphlets that Young Living has in there. In this box of starter kit goodies, you would have also received the product guide. Great place to look through for all of the different oils, singles, blends, personal care products, household products, everything, Savvy Minerals makeup, everything that Young Living has to offer. Great place to look and start making your wish list. You would have also received an essential oils magazine, which is, depending on when you get your kit, your magazine will be different, but just also another great lookbook with different recipes and ideas. The fun part. So I am going to run through these very quickly. I'm going to talk very briefly about some of the oils and, just like I said, a quick refresher for how you may want to use them. And I would also advise getting a resource. There is something called the Reference Guide for Essential Oils, which is an app available on either Apple or Google Play. So great to have that at your fingertips. I think the cost is like $6.99. Great resource. Another option is having this essential oil pocket reference, and in this you can look up all of the oils as well as different body systems that you may want to support and different things that you're looking to do. So great resources. You can get that app, or that book is available. We get it from Life Science Publishers, which is an online resource, or you could ask your enroller how to get your hands on that. Okay, so these 10 oils that are located here. First, you're going to notice that the top ones are Vitality or white labeled oils, and the bottom ones are colored labeled oils. All that means is these Vitality lines are they are generally regarded as safe for ingestion. They also, Young Living oils are GMO verified, GMO free. So that is an awesome accolade that we received this year. So these white labeled oils, that just means you definitely can ingest these oils. You will know that you can get peppermint in a white label, and you can also get peppermint in a green label. Same with lemon, same with Thieves, same with Citrus Fresh. And same with Digest. So those oils come in both vitality or non. There really is not a difference in the oil itself, just the way that it is labeled. So keep that in mind. If something comes in a vitality, you know that it is safe for ingestion by Young Living. All right, so peppermint. Peppermint is a great oil for supporting your digestive health. It is a great oil to help cool you down. Like in the summer months, put a couple drops on the back of your neck. You may want to use a carrier oil when you're applying it topically because it is considered a hot oil, meaning it's going to make your skin a little bit tingly. And if you don't like that, you can dilute that with a carrier oil. It is also great for energy. And again, for that, I just put a little on my pulse points or maybe the back of my neck, and it will help give you a little bit of extra stamina in the day. Again, when you're applying it topically, you may want to use a carrier oil. The next one here is lemon. So lemon is, you can ingest this, so you could put it in your water and drink it. When you're ingesting oils, you want to make sure you're using glass or stainless steel for your container because you don't want to put it in plastic. It's very detoxifying and it can pull those plasticides or other chemicals that are in your plastic cup out, put them into your water, and then you're ingesting them, which you don't want. So always glass or stainless steel, or else like ceramic if you're having it in a tea. You can cook with your vitality oil. So you could cook with your lemon vitality oil. Think of chicken lemon rice soup. Lemon is also great for cleaning. So you can add it to your Thieves household cleaner recipes. Great as a degreaser. It's great for getting goop or stickiness off of anything. So when you purchase a new picture frame and it's got that sticker residue on it, drop of lemon and that'll come right off. I've gotten gum off of a backpack. I've gotten putty out of carpet, and I've got slime out of hair, all with lemon. So great as a cleaner as well. The next that we're going to touch on here is Thieves. Thieves is your immunity oil. That is the one that maybe is the most famous from Young Living. There's a great story that if you're interested, we can give you more on the history and the background of the name Thieves. So that is the one that you're going to use to help keep your family healthy, to help support your immune system. You want to, I am lazy and I have a dropper, like an eyedropper filled with grapeseed oil or any carrier, and I keep that upstairs near our bedrooms. I'll put a little bit of that in the palm of my hand, a drop or two of Thieves, rub my hands together and put it on the bottom of my children's feet before bed. You could put it in a roller and do that. You can put Thieves in your diffuser. Thieves and lemon is a great combination, the diffuser. It's gonna help freshen your air, get those germs out of your air, and it has a beautiful cinnamon scent. So, and then we're gonna move on to Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh, think of an air purifier. So you've cooked something that doesn't smell great, bacon, fish, those scents that kind of linger. Diffuse Citrus Fresh to help pull that odor out of the air. Put some baking soda in a small cup, add a few drops of Citrus Fresh, sprinkle it on your carpet, wait 15 minutes, and then vacuum that up as a carpet refresher. Put a few drops of it in your in white vinegar and use that as a fabric softener. Put it on your wool dryer balls with your laundry and use that, because you do not want to be using fabric softener or dryer sheets. Look that up. That's one of the first chemicals you definitely want to get out of your home. The next one is Digest. So that is all about digestive support. You can use that topically. Again, I would use a carrier oil and in the palm of your hand or in some type of roller, and you're going to want to rub that right on your stomach if you need digestive support. If you're having any kind of other issues, you can even rub it right here on your sternum. You can put it in a veggie capsule and take that internally. So Young Living sells vegetable capsules. If you search for that, you'll find them. You get like 200 or 150 in a container. You just put a few drops of the Digest, and then you could put a little bit of carrier oil, even like an olive oil, in the capsule. I like to add a drop or two of peppermint, which also supports your digestive system, and you can take that like a pill. So that is Digest. Raven, think of respiratory support. So you'll notice that Raven and PanAway have a top that is different than the others. It is a child-proof top. You know that you cannot ingest Raven or PanAway, and you know because of that top. Just an easy way to identify that. But support your respiratory system. Put it in your diffuser and put that next to your bedside if you're stuffy or congested or having issues like that. Put it with a little carrier oil, like a coconut oil is nice for this, and rub it on your chest, bottoms of the feet. Think of something. There's plenty of over-the-counter remedies like that where it's like a coconut oil base and it has something like eucalyptus scented in there. This is a natural way to make your own at-home DIY remedy like that. So that is Raven. Next is Valor. So Valor is one of the oils I first fell in love with Young Living over 4 years ago, and then we couldn't get it for like 2 years because of one of the ingredients being very difficult to source. It's been back now, and I can't even believe that it comes in the starter kit. That's the best news. So Valor, think of empowerment, think of courage, think of accomplishment. So if you have a big presentation at work, your kids have a big test at school, you've got something really important going on, and you've got to amp up all your courage and all your valor. Wear it like a cologne or a perfume. Put it on your wrists. Wear it on your neck here. Put it behind your ears. Breathe that scent in and just feel that empowerment. It's also beautiful in the diffuser. Some people will say that it helps with snoring. Thankfully, we don't have that issue in my house. But the silly trick for that is on the big toe for snoring. So try that. PanAway is the next one. My children call this PanAway. But just think of whatever, muscle support, joint support, workout recovery, anything like that where you're just trying to support your body, whether it's your children have growing pains, you're a runner and you have shin splints, you hit the gym too hard, or you just have aching knees or elbows or whatever. You want to take PanAway, mix it with a carrier oil, and apply that topically. Again, it's a hot oil. It will be tingly if you don't apply it, if you don't add a carrier oil to it. So please add, you can mix that up. So get like a jelly jar. Think of like a canning jelly jar. Put coconut oil in that. Put maybe 10 drops of PanAway. You might even want to add some Valor to that and stir it up. Put it in your refrigerator so it gets kind of cool, and now you have a cooling cream that you can use to support your muscles and your joints. Lavender, our Swiss Army knife of oils, right? We all think of sleep, of calming, of just rest, but lavender is also really, really great for skin support. So a very gentle skin support if you've got blemishes, if you... I keep a bottle in my kitchen because I am famous for touching a hot pan or a hot oven. And if you apply that lavender right away to that area, you will minimize any pain or discomfort or blistering that you're going to get from that. So keep a bottle of it in your kitchen. It's also great for hair growth. So you can put some in your shampoo bottle, shake it up, put a drop in your hair products before you put that in your hair. Ladies, put a drop in your mascara wand, 1 drop, and swish it around, and it'll help with lashes and also helps to prevent your mascara from drying up. So just a silly little trick with lavender. It's like, anyone in my house, if something's bothering them, it's like, get the lavender. It's the Swiss Army knife of oils. Frankincense. Another beauty that comes in this kit, very, very special oil. Frankincense is very emotionally balancing, grounding, and it is also great for skin. So again, targeted probably for the ladies, but fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, use frankincense in your moisturizer to help minimize those or prevent them. If you've got scarring, a combination of frankincense and lavender in a roller will help to minimize the appearance of that as well. Okay, then flew through those 10. In the bottom of your kit, so you have this, there's other good stuff under here. So you want to open this up, and in here you're going to get your sample of Thieves Cleaner, or potentially you got a small Thieves spray. So either way, if you got the cleaner, that is 1 ounce of cleaner, and you're going to want to mix that with about 16 ounces of water in a spray bottle, and then you can use that for all surfaces in your home. Your mirrors, your countertops, your glass, spot cleaner on the carpet, stain cleaner for clothes. It's the best all-around, all-purpose, non-toxic cleaner I've ever used. If you didn't get it in your kit, I highly recommend getting the 14-ounce size, which will then make you 16 to 30 ounce bottles of spray cleaner. It's going to last you a long time. If you received the spray in your kit, that is perfect for sticking in your purse and taking with you and spraying down the grocery cart handle instead of using those disinfectant wipes at the grocery store. Spray that down. If you're traveling, the airline tray. If you have children and you're going to the restroom in public places, spray down the handle or the seat. So just think of it as having your own little magic disinfectant on the go. So that is how you use the cleaner. You get a hand purifier in this, so another perfect thing to stick in your purse. This is a non-alcohol hand purifier, so great for everyone, but especially think about children who we put hand sanitizer on their hands and then they put them in their mouths, or even us, we put it on our hands, then we eat with our hands. So I love having a non-toxic, alcohol-free hand purifier. Then you got 2 sample packets of Ningxia Red. So Ningxia Red is a high antioxidant drink. So antioxidants are good, free radicals are bad. The more antioxidants you put in your system, the lower opportunity free radicals have to survive in your body. They also deliver oxygen to our cells. An oxygen-rich environment is not conducive for pathogenic cells. So drinking your daily dose of Ningxia Red is going to give you a little bit of natural energy. There is no caffeine in it. It's going to help keep you well. It's going to support your immune system. And it tastes great. These are 2-ounce packets, and you get 2 of them. So half of that is a recommended serving. You can drink the whole packet, or you can have half today and half tomorrow, or share it with someone. It tastes better cold, so I would stick those in the fridge. I showed you my cup before. I'm drinking sparkling water with a shot of Ningxia and a little bit of Sulfur Zine, which is a supplement that it's a powder or it comes in pill format that helps support skin, nail, and hair growth. And it tastes really good, all mixed together. You also receive Peace and Calming. So this oil is going to be green. So when you put, the oil itself is green. So when you put it in your diffuser or you get it out of the bottle, don't be alarmed. It is supposed to be that color. This is exactly what the name says. You need help calming down at night. You need help putting your kids to bed at night. You're very stressed about something and you just need to feel calm. Instead of reaching for whatever your previous, habits would have been, try Peace and Calming. Put it in the diffuser and sit near the diffuser. Put it in the diffuser before you go to bed. Put it on your wrists or your pulse points and just breathe that in, and you are going to love it. You also get a 5 ml of Stress Away in your kit. So this is, again, exactly like the name sounds, Stress Away. Smells like vacation in a bottle. It's got lime, oak tea, vanilla undertones. So to me, it smells like a beach vacation. I love it in the diffuser. It is also can help to relax you at night. So if you are someone who has a difficult time kind of shutting your brain down, Stress Away is great to do that in the diffuser. I, however, when I first got my kit, took one of these roller tops that you get 2 of them in your kit, and I put it on my Stress Away and kept it in my purse. And so ever since then, I've always had Stress Away with me on the go. So in order to do that, you want to take off the white top. You want to pop off carefully the plastic reducer. You're gonna stick this roller top on. It's just gonna be resting in there. It's not gonna be in there tight. So once you stick that on, then you take the black top, push down and turn at the same time. That's gonna secure the roller on the top. And then you have Stress Away on the go. And you can get that roller top off. There's some pretty cool little tools that are sold on Amazon that'll help pop that roller top off, or with some work you can get it off yourself so that you can still use it in the diffuser. That is everything that comes in the kit. I also talked about the resources. Come back and watch this whenever you need to. If you've got specific questions, post them in the comments. Ask your enroller. We are here to help you. We are so excited for you to start this journey.